Okay. Let me try to figure out the best way to do this. Okay. Obviously, if y'all don't want to, this probably isn't the first class that you've done this with. But if you don't want your video on, you don't have to turn it on. But if you want to, I love to see some smiling faces because I miss all my people. Um, but first of all, I want. Oh, hey. I'm not Coach Watts, and this is new for me, and Canvas is new for me, and so I'm learning. Um, but I'm really excited because I use graphic design every day, and it's kind of one of those things that um, I didn't plan for it to be my career, but it has turned into my career. And so when they needed to take, since Coach Watts teaches several classes, they needed to pull one off of his prep, and I was like, I'll teach graphic design. So I'm excited that y'all are all here. And so a few things about me. I do work for the Corinth School District, and I currently do run all of our social media and websites and all those kinds of things. And so something that I want to do during this time is hopefully let y'all have the flexibility to create some stuff to make the high school website look exciting, because when we launched a new website, it's lacking, and this time has made us kind of have to upload things faster than we normally would. Okay, I'm adding all these people in. I don't know why I have to give them permission, but it's making me do that. But so a little bit about my job. I create the things that go on the Jumbotron. I do the social media. All those things you've seen that the school has posted in the last week, that's what I do. All of the things that the little graphics, like today I put one out about the meals and the menus and all those kinds of things. So graphic design can be a career, and it's super fun. No 2 days are the same. Drew Porter's late. I'm calling him out just because I can. But so the first thing I did in this career was create a logo for the school district. This one, I'm really proud of it, and I'm obsessed with it. But something that after we do the initial few things that I run through with y'all, I want y'all to do everybody's going to make a personal logo. Oh, hang on, I'm adding this one. Everybody's going to make their own personal logo, and then we're going to make a resume and all those kinds of things. But I did upload for today. I know that you're probably overwhelmed. I don't know. I haven't seen a lot of high school work, but I feel like there probably is a lot. So there is a little booklet that I uploaded, and I'm obsessed with fonts and the importance of typography. I don't want everybody to unmute yourselves. I kind of was looking into Canvas at some of the activities y'all had done, and it looked like a lot of it was done in Photoshop. And I know that Watts uses Photoshop more than I do. I'm a big Adobe Illustrator girl, and so if I tend to push people to use Illustrator and InDesign more. And I know a couple of y'all have issues on your computer, and I have gotten your serial numbers, and Bobby's working on it as we speak. And I'll let you know when you need to I think you end up having to like restart your computer when that is pushed out and everything. Let's see, sorry. So the first thing, there is like a little booklet that I uploaded, and it talks about all the different types, all the different things on a letter. You're gonna have some vocabulary, which is so super fun. But then we're going to identify parts of characters, and you'll turn that in as well. It's created, you'll have this little sheet, not with stars and handwriting on it, it's blank. and you will actually, okay, wait, let me try to share my screen and I'll show you exactly what you're gonna have. Okay, share my screen. Here. Okay, let's see. You will have, can y'all see this? Are y'all seeing my screen? Okay. So you'll open up this PDF that is in Canvas in Adobe Illustrator. I have not made those documents public yet because I just didn't want to drop it on you and be like, okay, do this. So you'll have this document and you'll be able to, if you open it in Adobe Illustrator, just drag and drop these things into where they go. And my assignment does say to read the vocabulary first. And do the definitions because it will help you do this and make it much easier. I'm trying to think of what else. I don't want this to be a stressor, and everybody in my office has said, please don't overload them with work because this doesn't have to be I'm like, Nazarius, how much food do you have in your room? You've been eating for the whole time we've been on food. What?
It's good. It's chocolate chip waffles.
I mean, it looks good. I just feel like you have a dozen of them sitting there.
I've ate 10.
You eat too much.
Okay, so if you go through and you do the definitions of those terms and you really read through the document, I know it's like really nerdy, but the importance of typefaces and everything that we do helps tell a story. And sometimes you don't even have to have graphics if you use the correct font. So if we do all those things, we're going to eventually transition into a little assignment that's going to take a little longer, but all that I would like for you to do, to read through that, do the definitions, and label the typography. And then Thursday we'll go over the parts of each character if we think that. I think that's pretty, it shouldn't take you very long at all because I'm not going to keep you here where you have to be logged in the whole time. And so if you do that, define the terms, label them, and submit them on Canvas, they have asked me to kind of do a complete, incomplete grade right now. And so I do ask that you do submit those. And then we'll go over the, oh, hey, Tylen. Oh, okay, awesome. Let me write that down so I don't forget to get it fixed. Okay, so anybody else that y'all know that doesn't have the programs on their computer, make sure you tell them to send me their serial numbers. And our technology people are kind of case by case right now, but I told them that Coach Watts let me know that there were a few of y'all who needed your programs updated. And so I did also put in the class to join the Remind because that's my favorite way to communicate because nobody wants to have to check their email in Canvas all the time. I'd much rather get it as a text. So if you will join that, I don't remember the code, but it's on Canvas in the announcements. Is there anybody that has a specific project that they would like to do or something that I kind of, you can shake your head or you can talk back, it doesn't matter. Is that correct that you've mostly been in Photoshop? Okay. So the Adobe Illustrator thing all the programs work hand in hand together. And one of the first projects we're going to do is in InDesign. And so I've created a template for it to where you'll be able to open it and it'll be easier for you to follow the directions. Everybody will be assigned a typeface and I will upload that and let you choose, hopefully. I may assign them to be determined, which typeface you do, and you'll do a full research on your typeface. Baskerville is my favorite font in the whole wide world, and I'm going to show you we will end up, this will be, you'll make a spread in InDesign that looks like this. And then we'll make a book and put them all together so that you'll have them. So I don't want to keep y'all all afternoon long, but I did want to see everybody's face. Hey, everybody at Finn's house. Is everybody, I mean, we can take a minute too. Is everybody good? How, and from the district standpoint, actually, let me stop recording this so I don't send it to everybody.